Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a folder inside your art browser. So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Right, so once you're inside the art browser guys, all you have to do is either click on the icon on the uppermost left hand side that will take you into settings, and then you want to click on tabs or hover over tabs. It will expand more options and you will see new folder. You can click new folder from here, or to make it easy you can simply right click on the left hand side here and you will simply click on new folder. From here you can go ahead and you can name the folder. So let's say I want to call this one YouTube. I can simply go ahead and call this one YouTube videos as an example, right? And just simply go ahead and hit the enter key on my keyboard. From now you can go to whichever website, and as you can see I'm at YouTube right now, and let's say I would like to add this YouTube website within this YouTube folder. All I have to do is just simply click and hold and just drag it into the YouTube folder. As you can see, the YouTube folder is open, so all I have to do is just simply let it go and it will fall underneath the folder. Look like it is not inside the folder, but I can promise you it is inside. So once you go ahead and click the folder here and click the minus sign towards the folder, you will see that the folder collapsed and it will be closed. And if you click on it again, you realize that it gets open and you can see what is inside the folder. And this is how you can easily go ahead and open up a folder by clicking on it and click on it again to expand. And of course, this is how you create a folder and you can see what is inside the folder. So here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.